Okay, we've made it into our first simulation. Now let's go over what we're actually doing here. So we're not going to do the intro. It's not particularly interesting. It's really focused on just thermal energy. And thermal energy we've been calling heat forever, but we're going to go over to the systems. And I click there, and then I have to click one more time to get in here. So the default system has this setup. We've got a little faucet here, a little sort of hydromechanical wheel in the middle as our energy converter, and then the initial output they have as just water, and then we've got a little thermometer here to show us the temperature of that. Pretty much always you're going to click this energy symbols like button in the very top right. The reason that's helpful is because now this shows us what types of energy are in our system. So it's got this color coding here. So if I see little gray boxes with the E's in the middle, I know that that's mechanical energy and so forth and so on for all these other types of energy. Now to get this system to work, we have to pull this little faucet to get some water to run. We don't need to do that so much right now. In the bottom of the screen, you have all these choices for, on the left side, that's where we can change this input, so it doesn't always have to be our faucet. In the middle, we have these two choices of what we want our converter to be. And then on the bottom right, we have all of these choices for what we want our energy output to be, what we want this system to do. So right now, it looks like we're trying to do something to this water. I could click over here. I can make it something about two different kinds of light bulbs, something about a fan, it looks like. I could change our input to someone biking, all of these different things, and you can flip through all of these different options on your own as much as you want. But for our first day of analysis, we're really focused on this system. The next day, we'll focus on a system where we've got this, but remember, sometimes we'll need to do some different things to get our systems to start. No matter what our input is, we might have to do things like that. Big key here is to always click this energy symbols. That's what allows us to really analyze these systems in a more scientific way and talk about the different energy transformations that we see here.